If your PC build looks like a spaghetti mess, you're in dire need of these tools. First up, the trusty screwdriver. You won't get far without this bad boy. Magnetic tips, even better. Next, anti-static wristband. Zap. Don't fry your fancy new part. Strap it on, stay grounded. Now cable ties, keep those cables neat and tidy. No one likes a jungle behind their case. Thermal paste, your CPU will love you for this. Keeps things cool under pressure. Tweezers, perfect for those tiny fiddly bits. Save yourself the frustration. Compressed air. Dust is the enemy, blow it away, keep things running smooth, and finally an external USB drive. Back up your data before you start. You'll thank me later, that's it. Now go build that beast. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. TechnoStudios.